Wow, look at that wind. Man, I can't even see where I am. Yeet. Well, maybe not. Woo! Okay, Gator. You're gonna have to bomb this. Is this it?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, look at that wind. Man, I can't even see where I am. Ah, there he is. And let's go to Boost Mound. Whee! Oh, this snow feels nice. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm carrying speed this time. Make sure I make it up. No way. Oh, that was so close. 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1, spray.
That was heavy. It wasn't powder. Okay, let's go. Ready?
Yep. Ah. Nah, that doesn't look like a jump. That was a small one. Yeah, it wasn't a jump. That was fun. Whoa. It's where nice to have poles. Wee. Okay, next time I come over that, I'm gonna jump it. Train park is packed. Actually, I might be able to. Oh, I got ice all over my goggles. Well, me and Gabe, unfortunately Gabe didn't get to go skiing today. He hurt his knee.
I hurt myself because I'm dumb.
Gabe hurt himself, but yeah, so after today, we came and sat in the hot tub. I almost fell asleep on the bus. And, of course, now after we... That's weird. The camera just died, but anyway, after we got done snowboarding, woo! All of the snow starts coming in. Like...
Where was that when you were up there?
To be honest, I have no clue, but unfortunately, I can't go tomorrow because I'm hanging out with some cousins, and
unfortunately, I can't go for like a week or two because I'm dumb.
Yeah, we're hoping he can go.
Hopefully by this weekend.
I need to close that window.
We're hoping by this weekend.
Yeah, hoping by this weekend. It snows really well. We get a lot of powder, and hopefully Gabe's able to go snowboarding.
If there's a lot of powder, I'll just take a bunch of ibuprofen.
I don't think he'll need ibuprofen. He's got his pain tolerance is pretty high. He hurts himself and he bounces back like a week later, so I think he'll be okay in like 4 more days.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully that'll be soon.
Hopefully
and
I'm there, you know.
Hopefully we can start learning tame dogs soon. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.